Welcome to Wara Worldwide News. We are now in the famous Rafiki Cave. We have stone woman Linnea Nilsson Wara with us today, and she's our expert in this topic. So, Linnea, tell us all about Rafiki Cave. Okay. Thank you so much for this wonderful and interesting information. And that was all for today from Wara Worldwide News.